Hello again everybody. This week we will be continuing our bus renovations. We will be doing what we did last week with the storage vents on this side. We're going to copy that, do it on that side, and it should be good. So there we go. All done. That's my trumpeting.
Okay, this part here is done. Now we are moving to do the inside. There, she needs to sleep there, behind our feet. Yes, you. Yeah, it's so much better.
What happened to your clothes?
I know, someone stuck things on me.
Right, contact paper is on, as you can see. So I am ready to start gluing the pieces of wood around the frame there, and to put a bit of wood along this border here. So that's what I am going to do. I'm going to cut and glue them up right now.
Good morning, guys. So today Aaron is working, so I'm going to start painting inside these cabinets. Last time it took me 6 coats, I think, to finish the other side. So yeah, better start because it will probably be like 3 days of work. Okay, I obviously argue with the paint, but first coat is done.
What are you doing?
It's very hard to paint in a hole. Almost in the evening, I can't see anything. I can't wait.
Hey dog, what do you reckon? Alright, so this is what we see every time we enter the bus. Come up here. This is still carpeted from when it was a bus. Still got that ugly mess over there I need to fix. There's holes in the roof from where the aircon vent was. And I've got this ugly mess to fix as well. And I'm going to try and do something with the front here. So that was an old TV slot. So the TV used to sit there, and I'm guessing that a VCR or something used to sit there. So I'm going to try and make this prettier and a little bit more functional. So let's see how we go. Alrighty, time for a progress report on what I'm doing here. We've got this big ugly hole here that I'm going to cut out at that line there, cut out this way, cut out there. This will be a shelf with a light, a down light. Moving forward, that's going to be a storage compartment with a door that swings open. That's going to be probably a storage compartment. See how we go. Same with this side, more storage. Where that thing is there, that'll be a light switch for the down lights. Going to cut this open, same as the other side. And that'll be a shelf there. So that's what I'm up to this afternoon. G'day there, ladies and germs. So today I am doing some more of this stuff behind me. As you can see, I've made like a little storage shelf. And I'm going to do the same. That noise you can hear, that's the dog playing with a squeaky toy. Hang on. What do you got, dog? Yeah, you're on camera. You should be ashamed. More ashamed. That's better. as I was saying before, going to do this storage shelf idea on the other side here, coming around to here. I might extend this out a little bit more and make it into maybe a shoe shelf, possibly, for I don't know, just a place to store shoes or something else. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out as I go. So that's what I'm doing today. What I've done so far. Stuck this up here, put these there as support, screwed that on, cut these to size, so I'm going to glue these down now. I've grinded some of this back, ready for contact paper, grinded some of that back, did some cuts in there, got real dirty, played with the dog, and that was my day. Okay, end of day status report. I've still got some stuff to do there. I want to put this edge up on there, and I want to put something along the front here like that to stop stuff from falling off. I've got to cover up this ugly gap there with something. Put some contact paper in there. I've got more to do in the front, but I've done some cutting in there, so that's good. And I've boxed in the, I'm going to call this the shoe rack, so I've boxed in the shoe rack. I've got to put a floor on, pretty up these bits, and pretty up this little bit here, but that's tomorrow's mission, so that's what I'm going to do. So I've done this side. This side's pretty much finished. Yeah, pretty much finished. There's a little bit of bits and pieces that I could do, but I'm not going to because I'm out of time. So that's a nice, decent, strong shoe rack. Sleep up there if I have to. So now I'm going to do this side. It just needs some finishing touches and some tidying up, and it should be done by today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this shelf behind me. And if I flip the camera, that shelf there behind me as well. So that is how I've converted them into, I don't know, I guess storage shelves. So next I'm onto the front working on these things. But that's another video, so I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, make sure you like, subscribe, share, all that sort of jazz. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Good?
Yeah.
I'm trying to start it without saying alright and so. Alright, so. Okay. I don't know any other help. You ready?
Yeah.